mga panawagan na kansilahin o higpitan ang for temporary workers o temporary foreign worker program sa Canada. Nananawagan ng ilang advocates sa Ottawa Martes. Respetuhin ang temporary foreign worker program, ang karapatan at dignidad ng mga migranteng manggagawa. May report si Teresa Redula.
Migrant workers are not the enemy of the domestic workers here. Ultimately, we are all workers, and we have to be united in this issue because when migrant workers' rights go down, we see that the power is concentrated with employers.
Nanawagan ang migrants' rights advocates, mga union at human rights groups sa Ottawa Martes na ayusin ang temporary foreign worker program at ang anilay systemic exploitation at abuse na dulot ng closed work permit.
Scrapping the temporary foreign worker program without addressing the underlying issues will not solve anything. It will only deepen the exploitation of migrant workers while failing to improve the conditions of Canadian workers.
Sa ilalim ng closed permit, naiipit ang manggagawa sa iisang employer, dahilan kaya't di sila nakililipat ng trabaho at nauuwi raw sa unsafe working conditions. Ilang taon nang kinukondena ng mga grupo ang nasabing sistema. Taong 2024 naman ang nanawagan ng isang UN rapporteur sa gobyerno na buwagin na ito. At nitong Enero, inilabas ng Amnesty International ang isang report na hinaharap ng migrant workers ang malawakang pang-aabuso.
Temporary foreign workers who are not unionized are afraid of speaking up about abuse, unsafe housing conditions, or unpaid wages. If they do, they risk losing their job, and this often leads to losing their home, their status, and their chance to stay in Canada.
Nauna nang naging suhestyon ni na Conservative leader Pierre Poilievre at BC Premier David Eby ang pagtigil sa temporary foreign worker program. Gayunpaman, ilang sektor sa bansa gaya ng agrikultura ang nakadepende sa migrant labor. Ayon sa advocates, tila binabaliwala raw ang ugat o sanhi ng exploitation.
Migrant workers are important members of our communities and perform essential work in many industries, from putting food on our table to caring for our loved ones in hospitals and long-term care facilities. We reject these divide and conquer tactics that turn neighbor against neighbor, young person against young person, while letting workers endure endless abuse.
Isa rin ang grupong Migrante Alberta sa mga organisasyong nakikiisa sa mga panawagan na bigyang galang ang karapatan at dignidad ng mga manggagawa.
The Canadian state actually still wants migrant workers. They just want to limit them to the most exploitative sectors. They want migrant workers working in agriculture and care work. They don't want migrant workers taking these so-called entry-level jobs for Canadian teenagers. They don't want migrant workers starting businesses. They don't want migrant workers working in well-paid jobs with job security and benefits. The solution is not to scrap the program entirely. The solution is to build an economic system where workers' rights are respected and all workers, regardless of status, have access to social services.
Samantala, inilunsad Lunes ng gabi ang 2025 National Days of Action sa isang symbolic protest sa Parliament Hill, kung saan tila nakawala ang migrant workers at allies sa isang chain na sinisimbolo ang closed permit system. Teresa Redula, Omni News, Toronto.